We are leaders. We're always trying to do everything better. We're never satisfied with status quo. We're always looking at how we can re-engineer the current systems.
I feel supported and feel confident in the competency of the leaders that we have within Healthcare Partners. It's goes far beyond what we do in that room during the examination. There's a lot of activity going on behind the scenes that makes this work so that patients can feel like they're in good hands when they come to our office.
One of the areas where Healthcare Partners excels is in the area of coordinated care, in the sense that when we have patients enroll with us, we take responsibility for their outpatient care, inpatient care, and any coordination that's required to facilitate health.
I find the people here, the employees, the nurses, the personnel, different. Like, they're amiable, they're friendly, and I like that, you know. I came here with Walker, you know, and I'm opening the door with difficulty. I see a nurse, even if I do not know, almost running to open the door for me, or and hold it until I come in. That I'm always touched, you know.
Here at Healthcare Partners, I find that it's an expectation that our staff will definitely, we call our patients, our seniors in particular, we remind them of what's coming up, what to expect when they get here, and I find that my staff treats most of our patients, there's like they're their own mothers and grandmothers and grandparents and so forth. There's always a hug, there's always a smile.
Everybody treats me with kindness. Everybody knows me by my first name. The attendants that work for Dr. Wong, they're wonderful. You have Heidi, you got Tammy, you got Anna. As soon as they see me and I walk in, it's like a family. They all come and give me a hug. Even Dr. Wong gives me a hug. I mean, what more can you ask for? So that's what makes me happy, and that's what keeps me going and keeps me strong.
What attracted me to Healthcare Partners was and is their total focus on patient care and really communicating and connecting with the patient in a very personal level, responding to their needs.
Es una experiencia bonita el venir a ver al doctor, si no se está muy enfermo, pero la mayoría de veces sí, es muy bueno.
I always try to put myself in the patient's shoes, what they're feeling, what they might be going through, and I think through the years as I worked in the medical field, I think I've always had that, kind of put yourself in their shoes. And how would I want to be treated if I was ill?
I don't feel as a patient. I really don't. I just feel like I put it into different words. I feel like we're just family. I'm dealing with family. I'm just not dealing with outside people. This is my medical family, period.
Healthcare Partners is so wonderful that I'm always recommending people come to Healthcare Partners. You cannot beat it.
I started here, I will finish here. That's what I always say. Then they ask me, what made you stick? Why don't you say you go to other places? I said, not until I see a greener field.
Y se oye como que no fuera verdad, pero sí es.
I've been with the group since 1986, and I just think it's the greatest thing ever happened for a person like me. If it hadn't have been here, if I hadn't have had this medical group, I would not be alive today, plain and simple.